Good morning, you guys. I don't even know why I'm vlogging today. I just got back from the gym. I have a lot of errands to run, so I just got out the shower. I'm about to try to do my laundry right quick, and then I need to go to FedEx. I need to go to Walmart. I need to go to Menards. I have to get all this stuff. I always put these responsibilities on myself of all these things that I need to get done, and I probably don't need to get them done, but I won't feel satisfied if I don't do them. And so it's a busy weekend coming up, you guys. I have a flight tomorrow morning. First thing, I have a 6 o'clock a.m. flight. I have to go to New York for a quick meeting with a brand partner, and then I'm just coming right back. And then I got cousins coming in town. I got cousins celebrating their birthday. So it's going to be a fun-filled weekend, so I'm really looking forward to it. I wanted to start vlogging yesterday because my mom was here and we were doing all this stuff, but I just couldn't bring myself to grab the camera because it was just a little too much going on. So today I am trying to, you know, kind of clean up my house a bit, because I know once I get back Friday evening, it's gonna be like hitting the ground running. It's gonna be like a lot of stuff going on. So I kind of want to take today to like pick up my house a little bit, make sure these guest rooms are, you know, beds made and clean sheets and stuff like that. So you guys are gonna be following me around the house as I get my life together. Coming along with me for my errands. Watch me try to turn this light off. So a lot of the newer homes these days are being built with the laundry facilities on the second floor, like if it's a 2-story home. Ours is on the first floor. I grew up in a house where the laundry was in the basement. So this is actually fine, but it seems like people don't like having to travel to the laundry area. I don't really mind. This is the stuff that I'm shipping FedEx to my sister in Virginia. It's just some dresses that I think she'll like and some nail polishes. It's kind of like a little spring care package. How about a spring style package? I need to get a twin set for Anne's new bed. So I'm trying to see what color I want to do. Definitely want to stay in the neutral family. How dark do I want to go? Let's see. Too funny. Yep. This is the most fun place to visit the outdoor stuff over here. I love it. What? Okay, I'm looking for something very specific. Oh, toys. Outdoor fun stuff. Focus. Focus. Are people still doing this? Are they still in style? I still like them. The frog tape I was telling you guys about. Can never resist the light section. Can never resist. left from picking Ann up from therapy. She's back there chilling. This is usually nap time, you guys. She's so tired when she leaves therapy because they do so many activities, so much going on. So she's usually pretty tired after therapy. So we're gonna go and get a nap as soon as possible. But right now, I gotta get something to eat, you guys, because I haven't eaten much today. And the fact that I went to the gym and did like cardio and weights and all this stuff, I am calorie depleted, okay? Whatever's close, man. I'll probably go to the Noodles and Company and just get like a bowl of noodles. But anywho, you guys want to see what I got from Walmart? You guys saw the sheets that I chose and everything, so I'm gonna take those upstairs and put them on the beds. I wanted to get Ann this kids dinnerware set. Also need to take a seat and check some emails. I haven't done that. Still don't have a desk yet, so I'm just using this console table for my desktop right now. But when I get a moment to like really shop and figure out what style I want and all that, then I will get one. It's coming soon, but for now I just need to get some work done. Done putting her sheets on. I actually had to iron them out a bit because they were just really too wrinkled. So anyway, I need to get probably like a little comforter for her, but for now we just got like her little blanket. And I'm really happy about these pictures that I drew with a Sharpie marker. And those frames are from IKEA. But I'm gonna do a full tour on Ann's room really soon as I get a chance. But I just want to show you guys the sheets that I got. I love them. They're taupe, they match the walls. So cute. Go in, go in. Every day. She wants to look at the video. Right. So I'm making dinner for my mom and Anthony. It's gonna be some raviolis with cheese on the inside and some shrimp. And I'm gonna do like a cream sauce. Got my heavy whipping cream already ready. I'll put some garlic and seasoning. I'm here. Try not to get killed. That's how you do it. Pop that thing up.
Working on our content. Ready? 1, 2.
You guys know these girls. Say hi. Hi.
I'm pretty sure it's 12.